Theorem 6.6. Theorem 6.6 states that lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. Let us draw a line T, which is the transversal for the lines L, M, and N. It is given that M is parallel to L and N is also parallel to L. So L is parallel to N and L is also parallel to M. Now, therefore, we get two pairs of corresponding angles, and which is the first pair is angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So because L is parallel to M, which is given here, line M is parallel to line L, we get that 1 and 2 are corresponding angles and they will become equal. Also, the second pair that we get is with lines L and N. It is also given that line N is parallel to line L, and therefore the next pair that we get is line angle 1 and angle 3, and they both are also equal since they are corresponding angles. And so according to the corresponding angles axiom, which says that if two lines are parallel, corresponding angles are equal, we get two pairs. One is equal to 2 and angle 1 is equal to angle 3. But from this, we can also say that angle 2 is equal to angle 3, since angle 2 is equal to 1 and 3 is also equal to 1. And so things that are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. Since both of them are equal to 1, 2 and 3 are also equal. And so we say that angle 2 is equal to angle 3. We have proved that they both are equal, but they also form corresponding angles. Since we have a transversal passing through M and N, we get 2 and 3 as corresponding angles, and they are equal. We proved it in the previous slide that they are equal. And so if corresponding angles are equal, then the two lines forming those two angles are parallel. So therefore you can say that line M is parallel to line N, because we are using this as our, for argument, the converse of corresponding angles axiom, which says that if a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of corresponding angles are equal, that means we have a pair angle 2 and angle 3 are equal, then the two lines are parallel to each other. Then M is parallel to N. This result can be stated in the form of following theorem, that lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. Note, the property above can be extended to more than two lines. So for example, suppose there were 4 lines and we had line M parallel to line L, line N also parallel to line L, then we know that M and N are parallel to each other. And suppose we have O also parallel to line L, then we can also prove that N and O are parallel to each other and M and O are also parallel to each other. So this property can be extended to many lines, okay?